Well, I love this. You talk about competitive offers, you talk about writing. Well, the number one step to competitive offer is what? Is it price? Is it terms? What is it? Most people say it's price. Some people say it's terms. You know what I say it is? Communication with the listing agent to figure out why the seller is selling, why they're selling it, and why they should choose your offer and want to work with you before they even know the terms. That is our job. Our job as a buyer's agent is to help the selling agent on the other side learn all about us, what we're looking to do. We learn all about them and what they're looking to do and build a custom package to their home. Step one. Yes, price is important. Yes, terms is important. But if you can't connect the dots to the seller and to the listing agent, some of those things won't matter. I've seen multiple times the highest price offer never wins. I've also seen sometimes a high offer wins, but has really, really good terms, right? I've seen all different types of winning offers in general in the market, but if you don't match it up to the seller's needs, then it doesn't really matter. And the number one step for any competitive offer is communication to the other side and make sure that they go back to their client and say, this is who we want to work with and this is why. Any more questions on that? Please reach out. Talk about all love, negotiations, and writing offers anytime.